Hey everyone! Long time no see, melt, or talk, whatever you want to call it. This is Eric the Dinosaur Guy playing with my rocks. And it's been a long time. I tried this last year, failed miserably. New phone, sucked. It kept wanting to record at over 1,000 frames per second and was taking 8 hours to try to upload. I'm like, no. So we have another option. Got a video camera, and we're going to just directly put it into the computer. So, we start again.
This time it's a new year.
New year, new everything. And I got the special with the whole 12 eggs from FossilsEra's again. And I am thrilled as anything that they actually are doing this again. So, everything though, that's how they do it. Packing peanuts within a box.
Packing peanuts within a box.
Make doubly sure there's nothing more in this box. I hate packing peanuts. I'm always afraid the cats are going to eat them. So I think that might be done with this. So we have this. Let's see if I can get a golden egg, because that's what I had last year.
And that was an epic.
I got one again.
You got another one.
Can you see?
Let's see. Oh.
Highly nestled.
Yep, I see it.
So, what we normally do in this instance is I pick an egg and my partner behind the camera picks an egg. We can't spend forever on everything.
We saved the gold egg for last.
Well, let's go open it first.
Oh, that too. Yeah. Either we open it first or we open it last. But I think we should open it.
The green is screaming. It's screaming green. Let's see. Can I open this up? Yes. They're normal eggs that aren't hinged. So. I think I got another sand shark tooth. Tiny.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god, it's a tiny little tooth.
It's a tiny little teeth.
And now look what you did, Bo. Now we have a cat on the table.
Cat on the table.
Teeny tiny little freaking thing. And it's a sand shark. Eocene 54 million years ago. From Morocco. He's okay to lay there.
Okay.
Okay. One egg done. Pick a color, Bo. Any color.
Alright, what do we got?
Blue, yellow, orange, red, pink.
Give me a red.
Okay. This is a polished Echinoid sand dollar. Paleocene from Madagascar. I can always use sand dollars, or actually Echinoids. Oh, looks so cute. Ooh, detail on the bottom. And this is a Paleocene, so it's not exactly here.
Okay.
Not too old, but old enough. The only issue I have is these little things, but yeah, the bottom of that is pretty cool. Which is also his butt. No. I will pick a blue. Oh, this is tape. Why does it feel Mosasaurus? Because it is. Don't know the species, but it's another Mosasaur tooth. Oh my gosh. The tape came sticking down and I'm trying to have an issue opening this thing up. Yep. And there's a little Mosasaur tooth.
Mosaur tooth.
Looks like a baby. Mosaur. And a purr. Pick a color, Mo.
The purr. Orange, the first one on the top.
Now, a lot of these are probably repeats, like from past stuff, but you can never, ever get enough fossils. And this is an egotized clam fossil. Not like the prior clams. Damn. You've seen a Morocco.
Oh, wow.
Tiny little thing, ain't it? Interesting. About ready to put the eggs in this. I'll dig them out later. So, after a little bit of a stint with the camera, I'm not totally sure what, we're on to picking more stuff. And I think we did your orange. So
Yes.
I'm going to pick
Pink.
such a ass taped.
Maybe it's big.
It's small.
Yeah. Okay.
Fossil mackerel shark tooth. Oh, there's an Odotus tooth. I have bigger ones than these, but now there's a tiny little one. I have a tiny museum over here. Literally, tiny. I'm gonna have to have a little freaking frame just to have all the tiny stuff.
Purple. The one up on top, actually.
Oh, there's one on top here. Now that's the one that's heavy.
There's the heavy one.
And I think that is... I'm not sure. Polished fossil clam.
Clam.
Which is a normal C in this instance. As Bo understands.
Mm-hmm.
See,
Oh, yeah.
I gave Bo one the other time. I got one.
Look at that.
The paperweight. That's a paperweight. Okay. I'll do this orange. You're like, get to the big freaking eggs while I'm trying to do other things. A thing to replace what was broke. Come on.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's a fossil fish fang of the Echinoid species from Cretaceous.
Ooh.
AKA saber-toothed herring, I guess you want to call it.
It looks like it's a bit cracked, too.
Yeah, a lot of them aren't going to be perfect. They'll be cracked, they'll be repaired. This is missing a very tip of it, but it's alright.
Blue.
Yeah, we're getting closer to...
The gold.
A black ammonite? A polished black ammonite?
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh. That is epically gorgeous.
Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh wow.
Both sides are awesome. I didn't think it was going to be... It just said polished black ammonite half. Mostly actually, yep, Middle Cretaceous. But that's freaking epic. Now it's my turn. I'll pick the big yellow, which is taped. I hate when they tape shit, but I understand at the same time. There we go. Without breaking anything. I don't even think that needed tape. A fake copid trilobite fossil Devonian period of Morocco. Wow. More like a half of trilobite, but trilobite nonetheless.
Yeah.
Morocco.
Morocco.
Middle Devonian.
Nice.
Definitely. Just the head part. Okay.
Purple.
I think you picked 2 purples in a row.
I chose a blue.
This. Another Spinosaurus tooth.
Hey, another
I'm going to be owning the whole fucking mouth of this. Excuse the language, but the whole freaking mouth of Spinosaurus. Ooh. It's small, but it's...
Fossil so far.
Look at that. It's literally whole.
Ooh.
Now with a root, of course, but it has all that enamel on and everything. I shall pick green. Okay. Yes, Tom, we know you're all cute. A Postosaurus fossil. Which I had an egg last time. This time around I have this. I like how they did that to that. So, that's a cool polished one. Your pick would be the yellow.
My pick will be the yellow. And that's taped.
Ooh. No way. They gave me a raptor tooth? Yes! Unidentified raptor. Late Cretaceous of Morocco.
Oh, wow.
Like a pale-colored raptor tooth. I got a raptor in this.
A raptor.
Nice!
That's a nice one.
Yeah. I'm like, that's a first. Lastly is the gold egg.
Alright.
Fossil broad-toothed Mako tooth.
Mako?
Carcharodon hastilis from Miocene to Pliocene. 2.6 to 15 million years ago. From South Carolina.
A Mako shark.
Found in South Carolina River. And I have a Mako, but I bought mine from a different place. Ooh. And I think it's a good match for my other Makos. That's fucking nice.
Oh my god, look at that.
Excuse the language, but...
Look at that.
I got tiny fossils. A nice black Ammonite.
Not much serrations on this one.
No. Normally don't.
But this is pretty still good.
Oh yeah. So this is it. This is now the 12 eggs.
All the fossils. 2 shark teeth.
Yep.
Actually, 3 shark teeth.
Yeah, 3 shark teeth.
Got 3 shark teeth.
Because we got all that.
1 fish fang.
Fish fang, trilobite. 2 little clams. Mosaur tooth. The usual stuff. I think this black Ammonite should have been the gold.
Right.
To me.
Or the raptor tooth.
Or the raptor tooth. Yeah, that was just the most randomest thing. I'm like, wow, I'm going to have to look at the serrations on this and see what it's like. But yeah, this is it. Hopefully you love my video. If you do, give it a like and subscribe to me, and I shall be more proactive this year in 2022. Have a great day.
Have a great day.